today I'm not doing anything over here. My daughter has decided she's going to treat me for Father's Day, and she's going to be telling you exactly what you need to do to make a scrumptious breakfast for a hungry dad.
What I'm going to do for Father's Day is a breakfast wrap. So first thing first, turn on the stove. Crack the eggs. Whisk the eggs. Add a bit of salt. Whisk some more. Whisk the salt in. Leave the butter in the pan to heat up. When it's ready, you can go ahead and pour the egg in. Leave the egg in so it can cook a bit, but not too long. Take your burrito, place it on. Push it down so that it sticks nicely together. Leave it there for a few minutes so it can cook. Dad, can you help me flip it?
Sure.
Just leave it there. Get your plate ready. We're going to put it on the plate, so before that, switch the stove off. Slide it off. We're going to put some ham there. Get a bit of salsa. Just 2 teaspoons. Spread it all over. Then we can add some cheese. You can add some arugula. Then you can roll it up. Get a toothpick and lock it straight through the middle. And right there you have a perfect breakfast wrap for Father's Day. Let's see how my dad enjoys this.
Wow, that looks amazing, Angel.
Thank you. I hope you like it.
I love the flavors. I love what you did with the tortilla. It's got ham and cheese, and I see tomato salsa and definitely arugula. It's perfect. A meal fit for any dad.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and turn on all notifications to my dad's channel.
Until next time.